These chocolate vanilla crepes are just amazing. I love that they're light and have a very nice chocolatey flavor. So they're perfect for breakfast or brunch, or whenever you have visitors over, you can try out this easy and simple recipe. In your blender, you're going to start off by adding your wet ingredients. So I'm going to start off with my milk. Next, I'm going to crack in 2 eggs. Add in a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And next, I'm going to add in my dry ingredients. So I'm going to add in 1 cup all-purpose flour, some sugar, half a teaspoon of salt. Once done adding everything in the blender, you're going to cover and mix until everything is fully combined and the batter is nice and smooth. After 30 seconds, I'm going to switch off the blender and remove the lid. Then next, I'm going to be adding some butter in my glass jar over here. So I'm going to add about half a cup of my butter. Then next, I'm going to be adding in my cocoa powder. Using a whisk, you're going to mix the cocoa powder into the butter until fully combined. Once combined, I'm going to use a squeeze bottle and add in my chocolate butter in the bottle. Once the butter is ready, you're going to place a pan over medium flame. That is a non-stick pan. And when the pan is hot, you're going to add in some butter. Spread around. Immediately you add in the butter in the pan. Wait for around 30 seconds. And as the crepes is cooking, I'm going to add in my chocolate butter. So I'm going to start in the middle and spread around, making a circular motion, and wait for the crepe to cook through. Once you notice a very nice golden brown color on the edges of the crepes, it's ready to flip. So I'm going to use my spatula, which is going to help me pull the sides and flip. Add in a little bit of cooking oil. And using a spatula, you're going to make circular motion as the crepes cook. Once my crepe is ready, I'm going to place aside and place in my next crepe. So I'm going to transfer to a plate. Add in some more butter. Wait for around 30 seconds. Then I'm going to add in some chocolate butter around, just like that. Flip my crepe. Wait for around 30 seconds, and using your spatula, you're going to check if the crepe is ready, and wow, the crepe is looking nice and well cooked, as you can see. So I'm going to place aside and add in more butter. Flip so that the other side can cook. Using my spatula, I'm going to make a circular motion so that the other side can cook. My chocolate vanilla crepes are ready and they're looking perfect. I love the golden brown spots on my crepes. Also, the crepes are light and I love the spiral chocolate pattern on my crepes. So this recipe is worth trying. I can't wait to have mine because this is for breakfast and it's truly going to be amazing with a cup of tea or coffee. So thank you so much for watching and I hope you'll be trying out this chocolate vanilla crepes, which is also very perfect for kids since it has a very nice catchy pattern on the crepes. Catch you on my next episode.